In this video, I'll show you how to quickly show the desktop, minimize all the windows. If you have too many windows open and you want to clear everything to get to a file on the desktop or have only one or two windows, this is a very quick shortcut to show the desktop. It's really basic, so if you know it already, please be patient. But it's important that really everyone knows how to do this, because it's gonna be making things very easy for you when you do things on the computer, when you do some work on the computer with files or documents. Okay, now we're on the desktop and I'll show you how to minimize all the windows and show the desktop really, because you have a lot of windows like this and you're a bit lost and you don't know what to do anymore. And it's very easy. You press the Windows key plus D. Windows key plus D. The Windows key is the key between Control and Alt on the left, and between Alt and the menu, context menu on the right. Usually I use the left one, it's more convenient. So yeah, this is the, if I press just the Windows key, it opens the start menu. But if I press the Windows D, it shows the desktop. And then I can go to a window and restore it, get it to show what it was. Also, I press again Windows D, they are gone. If I press again Windows D while after I just pressed it, it will restore the windows. This is really useful. So now I press Control Windows D, Windows D, Windows D, and it only brings the window that was there already, not the other ones minimized. It brings the state basically. So now I have this state of 3 windows. Windows D, I see the desktop. Windows D again, I see desktop and I hide it. So this is the Windows D. It's very useful. It's a very useful shortcut. If you already know this, maybe it's not such a big deal. It's something basic, but if you don't know it, it's really important to know. Try to get used to Windows D so that you can show the desktop and bring back the windows. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and this is how you show the desktop, and also how to hide all the windows and bring them back also. So show the desktop and then bring the windows back. It's very easy, and I hope you like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. If there are some applications and some programs on Windows and you would like to learn more about them, let me know in the comment section below which one they are and what you want to learn more about, and also why. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Subscribe, like and share. Yeah. Hope I don't have any eye boogers. Okay.